heading up to Maryland to see about getting a boat. It's a Catalina Morgan 381, and gonna make this a two event trip. I'm gonna go up and see my cousin Michael and his family, and offer up Shelby her birthday party present, or birthday present, the 3D printer back there, and yeah, I think she'll like it. So wish me luck on this trip. Just see about getting this boat. Hopefully the boat will be a good boat, and we'll go from there. Yeah, we're gonna have beautiful sunrise this morning. Pretty, isn't it? Alright, well, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, everybody. So we're back on the road. Traffic was a little crazy going on down in I-40. A lot of traffic. And now we're just on I-29 going north, out of North Carolina into Virginia, Danville area. Actually, I think I'm already in Virginia because I'm coming up to Lynchburg area. So, yeah, traffic's light. That's good. It's a good morning. Sun's out, as you can see. It's pretty clear. So it says here about 3 hours to my destination, and yeah, we'll see all my cousins and get to visit with them, and then from there we will have some good times, and then tomorrow morning go look at the boat, see how that goes. I have this, so I'll bring you all in. We'll take a tour through it and see what you think. Alright, out for now. Alright, everybody, good morning. On the way to the boat to go do a boat tour and see whether or not this boat is going to be the one I own. I'm kind of excited and kind of nervous. It is new to me, and one of the things that I'm looking at is getting into this new world of the boat. And sorry, traffic is a little crazy right here. But yeah, I'm excited. So looking forward to it, and we'll see you all at the boat. Okay, everybody, we're here at the boat yard looking at the boat, and let's see what this girl has to offer. She looks really good. I mean, she looks really good. So we'll take a look. All right, let's get the boat. This is her. And like you see, there is some real good setups to her. Everything there looks good. Looks good. It's a wing keel, not a bubble keel. Sounds solid. A Bruce anchor on it. Right. Little wear on some of the ports. I'm not sure about that. No blistering. Fender wear. I can already see the sails are a little old. Right. I hear you. So we're here on the boat, coming up from the aft. We have a LP tank container here. I notice that this is not closing. That probably is that tank right there, that's why. All the lines look pretty decent. A live well, or a lazarette.
Is the short power cable in there?
Sure is.
Drop that white plastic thing in there. That's a short power cable holder.
Okay.
There we go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The latches will need a little greasing. Two more 46s. Well, the rigging looks pretty decent. Just a little surface dust to rust, I call it. Now, how long has this owner owned this boat?
I think it's been about 2 to 3 years. So he had this boat and a Vanterre 58.
Okay.
This boat was wrapped right next to the Vanterre. I sold the Vanterre. He moved onto this boat for a little while after already living on it. Then he went and he bought a Choi Lee.
Okay.
And then this one went up for sale when he got the Choi Lee ready to move on.
Now, you said there was a hatch that was soft. Is this the one?
No, I don't think there's a hatch that's soft on this boat. I've got a boat with 2 soft hatches, but I don't think this one's it.
Now, the windlass, is it powered?
Oh, actually,
one-way powered?
100 feet. No, that should be 2.
No, it's one way.
Yeah, it's for pull in.
Yeah, so you just take it off, let it fall.
Yep.
And then put it on again, and then
That
on the way up.
looks like 100 feet of chain.
Okay.
It looks more than 50 feet.
Okay. And then he's got some rope behind it right here.
That's the road.
And he doesn't have a, what do they call it, a snubber?
Snub line?
Yeah.
No.
Is there a Head sail?
Yeah.
You said 2 of them, right?
Yeah, he's got 2 heads, 2 mains.
Okay. Oh, and 2 mains.
Well, yeah, the other 2 sails are a little nicer than the 2 originals.
Okay. So the other one, is it set for the furler? For the main? Or
In
is
mast?
It, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be a pain to drop that sail.
I
For
know.
me, if I had to reach that high to try to flake it,
Oh, I know.
oh my God, I'd never be able to do that.
So this is a secondary cord, or does this belong to the marina?
No, this is his.
Okay. Now these lights here, they're just frosted, or are they
Yes.
old age?
Well, both.
Both.
I mean, they definitely have.
So they give you an indirect light?
Uh-huh. It's diffused.
Okay. And, okay, that's that one. This is the
This is your jib halyard.
Okay.
Your main halyard's inside
Right.
on the sail,
Okay.
and I don't think it's rigged for a spinnaker.
Okay. And this line is your furler going into the
That should be your
cockpit. Okay.
Your furl in.
Yeah.
Jib furl.
Do you know when the last time these stays were put on, or are they original?
No, I don't know if they're original, but I do know he did not replace them.
Okay. How long did he own it? Do you know?
What?
The boat?
Like 2 years?
2 years?
Yeah. And I asked, he doesn't know if the previous owner did the rigging.
Okay. Is there a logbook on the boat?
I'm not sure if he has a log or not. Typically, he does have stuff because he's a pilot,
Uh-huh.
so he's pretty good about that stuff, but I'd have to ask him directly if he had a log.
And you said this was repowered to the Westerbeek? And the autopilot is all underneath? Because I see the electronic.
Yeah, it would be, it's not electric, it's hydraulic.
Hydraulic, okay.
Well, with an electric
Activator.
Activator, yes. That's the word.
That looks like it's about ready for a replacement.
Yep. I thought maybe that was just he never took off the peeling because some people leave it on there to protect it.
And that could be, but no,
I
it
don't
looks
think
like
so.
it looks like it's in the actual glass. So, does he have the radar for this, or is this without a radar?
No radar. That's what the arch was for. If he kept it, he was going to add it.
Uh-huh. So the electronics could be upgraded. Although this is, I take it, your speed.
I think this is a NEMA 2000.
It's a NEMA 2000 system?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's not, it's C-Talk,
Okay.
which is basically the only competitor.
And you never know. It might light up and it might work still. You never know. Okay, so a secondary lazarette. Nice. Got some extra ropes and some stainless material. And these Lumars are 40 clutches. That one's broken. Let's see if I
Push down. No, let me push down.
it's not connected in this. It's probably just needing to be lifted up and put back into the channel. Is what it looks like.
So if you were to ask me, see this? Where that wraps around, it's here is probably off.
That's what
why.
yeah, I'm thinking it's. Let's see. Something to think about. Little cabin light. Nice. 2-speed. Little access panels inside. Nice. Canvas still seems to be in pretty decent shape. Plastic seems to be in pretty good shape. Does he have the extras for these?
Does not have the full enclosure.
Okay. May I enter?
Yeah, now when you step down, right in the center where the hatch is, that's a little spot.
That's the soft spot
that's
that
the
you were
soft
talking
spot.
about. Okay. So it's in the floorboard.
And according to the way it looks, the access, it could probably be, I would look into attempting to support it from underneath before I went into replacing.
So it's right here.
There you go.
Okay. So is this a manual bilge?
Yes, sir.
Has it got electric bilge?
Yeah, they have bilge pumps. That's the emergency.
This plate is...
For the compression post.
Okay. Oh, so that's the base of it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. A little crack right there. I'm sure these things can be replaced easily.
The ports?
The overhead.
Oh yeah, that to me just looks like you could buy smoked plastic. You know, just get it thick enough so if you step on it, that's where those cracks come from. I don't think they're made to be stepped on.
That's the thing, is but you want to have it to where you can step on it in case you need to.
Emergency.
Yeah, you know, you're working on something and the boat's doing. Now, does it have a AC and heater? Oh, okay.
Reverse cycle.
Reverse cycle.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, do all this work that you know?
As far as I know, I've not been on the boat when he had it all up and powered and running, but one of the questions I put in with everybody list, is there anything that you know that does not work?
Right.
Because I'm a disclosed person. I like to save time for everybody involved.
Well, there's the books and everything.
Yeah, there's the manuals. Oh, that's another. That feels like another head unit. Hold on, pull it out. Or it's a little television.
Looks like it's
Oh, a DVD player or
a
something.
DVD player.
Or satellite receiver.
Sherwood power box.
Yeah, that'd be for stereo and things like that. Nice big head unit.
Manual for it. Nice.
Now you start getting heavy, constant back wake. I can't say.
Right.
This aft cabin is very nice.
Pump. When was the last time this was ever repaired or anything? Do you know?
I would not say that those pieces have been replaced anytime in the recent past.
Okay.
When I bought my boat, I just did them all. You know, I didn't know how well they were. I wanted to make sure the seals were, because we live aboard.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking to do too.
So, you know, all that stuff has to work. Toilets, water.
Vents.
I mean, I just run up and use Marina Head. But the missus, that's not always conducive.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, there's one of your petcocks right here. As you can see. And is there a way that turns?
What's that?
The valve here.
Should be able to turn it up or down. There you go.
There it goes, just stiff. Okay. And then dry. Wet. Well, we're not going to get anything.
Right.
It still has compression.
Hold on a second. All right, so that means you'd put it into the tank. This empties it so it's dry.
Okay. Still got compression.
And it sounds like you're still using a little water.
Yeah, still. How many gallons of water?
I'd have to find out all that if it's not in the listing.
I think it said 86 gallons, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, that's about right. We have 110 on ours of 40.
Mm-hmm. I like the fact that it's got this nice tall headroom right here.
For a center cockpit, now mine's the same way. Mine's low right here.
Is it?
Oh yeah, mine's low. This has much more room.
Is there storage under here?
I would imagine not.
Okay.
I would say that's likely access to your shaft and things like that. Yeah, there's a tank. That looks like hot water.
Is there any more storage underneath the mattress here?
No, that's got to be access to the top of this.
I was wondering if there was something back there. Ah, right there.
But I think it's access. Yeah,
Oh,
tank
okay,
access.
okay.
Yeah.
I see.
You got storage here on the sides.
Okay.
They're both the same. Your air handler's probably in there. Yeah, there's your air conditioner.
Okay.
Cedar line.
Some more Seacocks.
And you do have some storage underneath these too.
Mm-hmm.
So one of these is going to be discharged. That's for the toilet.
Right.
That's your raw water in for the toilet. This one, that is your discharge for. That's a discharge for something because it goes out through the
It says
hull.
marine outlet, yeah. Marine head outlet. That's your outlet to the.
So that should be closed.
That should be closed,
Right.
which it's open.
And there's your internal compass.
And that is for the.
Probably for the autopilot.
Okay. And now the galley. Propane stove?
Yes.
And
Yeah,
this-
you looked at the lockers. You saw the 2 propane tanks.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Gimbal.
Down the bottom.
Oh, okay.
No, here, go ahead. You can keep looking if you want. No, I was gonna say I can get it. So all these are engine access. That's the one thing. There's no, like on the boat when you lift the stairs off or take the stairs off, you have complete access.
Uh-huh.
I believe that was something because look here. So you still have your strainer and cap. So that's that looks like fresh water.
Right. Oh, what are those right there?
Haha.
Propane control.
Okay, so that's your automatic propane switch. So you'll turn it on up there, but then this is what opens and closes the solenoid.
Okay.
These I can't read.
I'll read them later. Just as long as I got them on here, I can see them. So, let me do this. Oh, that's better. So I'm seeing a bunch of gate valves and a ball valve, and I see some things off the Westerbeek up here.
So the seller would be amicable to spend some time with you on the boat if you buy it.
Okay.
You can go over some stuff that you're unsure about.
So there's your fuel filters right there. So they're doing something here with this.
Yeah.
Where do you do your oil changes on this? Up front?
I actually am not sure about the change. I think the dipstick's on the other side in the bathroom access.
Mm-hmm.
No, that doesn't happen. You gotta get up and move it.
Mm-hmm.
Push the button.
Yep, got it. Okay, 2 deep sinks. Drawers.
There.
Refrigerator and everything works?
Again, as far as I know, everything works.
And stowage.
So I opened that for you.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Oh.
It's just a screensaver.
Yeah, mine does that too. And then it's also open on the other side.
And this is the motor battery?
I believe that's start battery, yes. That's where this goes.
Okay.
So just so you can look real quick while I've got it, you've got light storage under here, under these.
Uh-huh.
And then this does drop down to make a table, or make a bed.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'll put that up. Put that back. Well, hold on. They are 6 years old.
Can you hold this for me a second?
We're not going to know if that works because I don't. You know what? You can turn the battery switches on and hit the DC main if you want, and we can see if there's any power. I don't know if there is. And then push the button up top. It says DC main. Nah, I've got no power. Yeah, I tried testing it.
They've been on. Whoever was in here never turned them off.
Okay,
So
well,
they're
that's probably because they wanted the bilge pump to stay on.
Yeah.
In case.
Yeah, but you would think on the dry that they would have.
No, actually, people, because water comes in from rain.
Oh, that's true.
So they keep.
That's
a
true.
lot of people will keep the bilge, but most of the people do that. They have a trickle solar.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they'll have even if it's just 100-watt panel, they can trickle charge the batteries because you wouldn't need it for anything else but the bilge pump.
So there's a wire cut on this.
What is this?
Whatever that transducer is.
Right, yeah, so that transducer is probably, and that might be the paddle wheel.
Yep.
Because if everybody's using GPS speed now, I found mine works intermittently. I mean, I can spin it free, but the sensor inside, when it gets, I don't want to say fouled, when it just gets gunk on it, it doesn't want to read right.
I got you.
And this is your under here is just your auxiliary water tank. There's only a visual access right here for the connection. So the rest of it's screwed down.
Right. And no other access in here?
I'll look on the other side in a minute.
Okay.
Yes. Same thing though. Just the output.
Okay.
Or the vent. That might be the vent loop.
Now this right here. Is that another table?
You know what? It's better good. Step out for just a second. Let me move this stuff. And the best way to tell that is...
You just broke something.
No, I think it was just stuck. I don't think I broke anything.
I think it lifts up out of the L slot on the bottom.
Yeah. I'm sure. Oh, that way it pulled the bracket off.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no
You're supposed to lift out.
Oh, you know what that is?
Mm-mm.
That might be your bridge to make the bed. No, that's too big. That's the table you use that. I'm not sure what that would be for, because I thought maybe it was the replacement table for that.
That's kind of what I thought at first.
Well, but there's no things on the bottom, so you'd have to take those off and put it on there. Yeah. And it's too big for the cockpit.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too.
Yeah, it's way too big for the cockpit.
It is tall.
It does have a lot of headroom.